TintFX Glass Film Solutions. For nearly 30 years, we have supplied and installed specialty window films in both residential and commercial premises. Whether it is solar, privacy, decorative, safety, security or anti-graffiti window film, we have the right film solution for you. TintFX focuses on creating a more sustainable living and working environment. We can transform your indoor space into a more livable and comfortable one by reducing heat and glare and blocking harmful UV rays. All this reduces damage to your interiors and decreases your electricity bill. Window films. Choose from solar control, privacy and decorative, safety and security, and anti-graffiti window films. TintFX Glass Film Solutions is a committee member of Highlands. TintFX Glass Film Solutions takes out 3 divisions in the prestigious Fenestration Australia National Highlands Design Awards, including Aaron McCarthy for WERS Installer of the Year, Best Use of Film, Commercial, and Best Use of Film, Residential. We are a 3M Platinum Select partner and have passed 3M's thorough auditing process to achieve this elite status. We are fully insured, meticulous about our work, and pride ourselves in 100% customer satisfaction. Check out our 5-star Google reviews. Here's a recent project focusing on improved energy efficiency and aesthetics in Mossman, Sydney. TintFX Glass Film Solutions. tintfx.com.au